In a shocking development, veteran Bollywood actors Govinda, Shakti Kapoor, Chunky Pandey, and Manoj Tiwari have been linked to an alleged investment fraud case involving a Ghaziabad-based company, Maxizone Touch Private Limited. The case has been registered following a complaint filed in a Jamshedpur court in Jharkhand, after which an FIR was lodged naming the actors along with several others. According to reports, the FIR was registered after multiple investors accused the company of cheating them. The complaint stated that investors were promised a 15% monthly return on their investments. However, neither the promised interest nor the principal amount was returned, triggering a police investigation. While the FIR includes many individuals, the involvement of well-known celebrities like Govinda, Chunky Pandey, Shakti Kapoor, and Manoj Tiwari quickly grabbed public attention. The complaint alleged that the actors' promotional involvement with the company helped attract more investors, as people trusted the brand due to their popularity and fan following. Police investigations revealed that Maxizone Touch PVT Ltd was allegedly running a fake MLM scheme and illegally collecting money from investors. The company's directors, Chandar Bhushan Singh and his wife Priyanka Singh, were arrested by Jamshedpur police in September 2025. Officials stated that the couple had been absconding for nearly 3 years before being taken into custody. The Enforcement Directorate also conducted searches at locations linked to the company in connection with an investment and cryptocurrency fraud case, adding another serious angle to the investigation. Govinda, one of Bollywood's most recognizable stars, has delivered several iconic performances over the years in films like Raja Babu, Coolie Number 1 Partner, Bhagam Bhag, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, Dulhe Raja, and Aankhein. Chunky Pandey is currently seen in Rahu Ketu, directed by Vipul Wig and produced by Zee Studios and Believe Productions. Shakti Kapoor, who has appeared in over 700 films across 5 decades, is known for both his powerful villain roles in films like Kurbani, Rocky, Hero, and Himmatwala, and his memorable comic performances in Andaz Apna Apna, Hangama, and Chup Chup Ke. Manoj Tiwari, a popular Bhojpuri folk singer and actor, is also a sitting member of parliament from Delhi and a senior leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. As investigations continue, authorities are examining the extent of involvement of all those named in the FIR. The case has sparked widespread discussion, highlighting once again the risks of unverified investment schemes.